Assalamu alaikum. My name is Minahil.
My name is Ajwa Munir.
My name is Ajwa Inshal.
My name is Zara.
I have spent
Wonderful years at Modern Age Public School and College, Abbottabad.
walking beyond these gates after 12 years is less like departure and more like closing of foundational chapters. Even in this short time, my experience has been really meaningful. The teachers are very kind and always encourage us to do our best.
Every corner of this campus holds a different memory, from playground to the classrooms. And I'm not living or moving to a new building, but I'm finishing the massive part of my life. I have made really beautiful moments with my friends. This college gave me confidence, knowledge, and unforgettable moments.
I have made great friends here, and every day in this college has been full of learning and fun. This place has helped me to improve my confidence and skills. Overall, my experience at Modern Age was very memorable, and it has prepared me for the life ahead.
I'm carrying a years of lessons, laughters, and growth that will stay with me forever.
I will always be
Thankful for this experience. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.